everyone, so finally it's day 3 of my Goa vacay, and I hope you could hear this sound coming. And oh my god, I have no words to describe how beautiful this location is. Here you go. Oh my god, so perfectly beautiful. How can something be this perfect? Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Oh my god, this looks so good. It's so cute. I need this is so cute, I'm gonna cry. Every day is my birthday, guys. Every day is my birthday. Come on. What else you can ask for? Like the live music, as you can hear. This guy, I was gonna meet him because he's singing so well, and he's singing Khuda Jaane, one of my favorites. And it's still not a sundown kind of time, it's still a sunset. But oh my god, I just cut my cake here, and this song played in the background, and I'm like, oh my god, like God is the creator is making all this. Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. Please listen to the I'm just so happy. Let me be happy. Let me be happy. So good. I don't feel like going. This place is so fucking beautiful, and the staff here are just so supportive and good. I do not even like nothing to complain, I would say. So my next stop is Kola Beach for kayaking, and oh my god, what my eyes are witnessing right now is nothing but pure sanity and beauty of nature, I would say. Just look at it. Oh my god. Yeah, so I have come here in Kola Beach for kayaking, and what do I say? This place is so freaking beautiful. I wasn't able to do this previously, like last year on my birthday. However, I'm happy that I did, because this is like a gem, and as you can see back there, everyone is doing kayaking, and one pro tip for you all: if you are traveling here, just travel with money, because they don't have network here, so it can be a problem for you. Well, that's my kayaking, and I will give you all the details later on. I'm finally doing this kayaking thing, and I am just so worried, you know. I'm waiting for my paddle here, and I have to paddle it to there. Like, I have to go it to that place, and I'm just, I don't want to get wet. So after oh god, no. So after so many failed attempts and not wanting to collide with anybody, I eventually did. Like, I collided with each and every person here, and I don't even know how to do this kayaking thing. So I don't know if this sport is for me or not, but I'm enjoying it, and I have left my kayaking thing to be kayaked by the other person sitting right there. And now Bhagwan Bharosa everything, and I even hit someone with the paddle while I was paddling. God too much fun in Goa, but I'm loving it. Is a very small place in Kola Beach. Right when you climb up, you will get to see this small cutesy cafe, and they sell lard pani, sodas, and everything small. But one thing that is very promising is this. So in this place you can have this view. What else do you need when you can have a place like this in front of you? You climb up after doing your kayaking, you witness the craziest sunset, and then you get to sit here and sip your coconut water. The best. When you think that life is not going to get any better than this, life gives you a reason and so many surprises to be happy. So today is day 4 in Goa, and since it's my last day in Goa, so I wanted it to be not like over the top one. I just wanted it to be and enjoy all my food, because once I'll go back to UAE, I know I'm not going to have all my Indian dishes there. So I love North Indian food, and I know I won't be getting it in UAE. However, they do sell it, but they are not so. Also, look at the dresses. Free. I did shop for all my dresses, and it has come around 300 dirhams, and it's good. Like, it's not that expensive here, I feel. You just have to know some bargaining skills also. Now I'm heading to Tibet Cafe, my all-time favorite, to have my lunch there. I had my breakfast this morning from there, and it was delicious to die for. So it's my 3rd time I'm walking there to have my lunch. Also this morning I had to get my blood test done, because something's not right with me after shifting to UAE. There are just so many things, so many problems that I am having, like internal and external. So I just felt like I should do a blood test here, so I have done it. Let's go. We are almost there. So finally, as I mentioned, it's my last day, and I'm gonna have my favorite Indian food for one last time until I come back again, not in Goa, because I'll be going back to India, different part of India, and maybe I'll get to eat good North Indian food there. But for now, let's just have this and be happy and enjoy our last day in Goa. So this is how the sea in Morjam looks like. So I came out of the shack to sit in these shacks. So I'm looking for oh my gosh, and eat. So with this, my trip comes to an end, but every end has a new beginning. So with that thought, I'm ending this trip with a great note, and it was really, really an amazing time. I would say in Goa, it was the best birthday that I could ever imagine, and I enjoyed a lot, honestly, even more than the previous year. And I loved it. I loved every bit of Goa. I got to explore so many new things here, and I'm just blessed. I'm just grateful. I'm very lucky, to be honest. So yeah, I love it. And a bittersweet bye to Goa, but maybe as in Dil Chahta Hai, Aamir Khan said, हमें गोवा साल में एक बार एक हफ्ते के लिए आना चाहिए.